Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Turbolearn AI. Turbolearn AI is an advanced machine learning platform designed to empower businesses with the ability to harness the power of artificial intelligence. It offers a suite of tools and services that allow users to build, train, and deploy machine learning models with ease. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or a business analyst, Turbolearn AI has the tools you need to take your AI projects to the next level. Let's delve into Turbolearn AI's key features. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to build and train models. It supports various machine learning algorithms, allowing you to choose the best one for your project. Turbolearn AI also provides real-time analytics, helping you track the performance of your models. It has a robust API, enabling seamless integration with other applications. Lastly, it employs a high level of security measures to protect your data. Now let's discuss pricing. Turbolearn AI operates on a tiered subscription model. The basic plan is free and offers limited features suitable for beginners. The Pro plan costs $50 per month and offers additional features for advanced users. The Enterprise plan is custom priced and offers unlimited access to all features and priority support. This tiered model allows users to choose a plan that best suits their needs and budget. Turbolearn AI is ideal for several use cases. It's perfect for businesses looking to leverage machine learning to gain insights from their data. It can also be used by researchers for complex data analysis. Educational institutions can use it for teaching purposes, and developers can use it to incorporate AI capabilities into their applications. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of industries and use cases. Turbolearn AI has several advantages. Its user-friendly interface makes it accessible to users of all skill levels. It supports a wide range of machine learning algorithms, offering flexibility in model building. The platform's real-time analytics feature enables users to monitor their model's performance closely. Plus, it's highly secure, ensuring your data is protected. Despite its strengths, Turbolearn AI has some limitations. Its free plan is quite limited, which might not be sufficient for complex projects. The platform also requires a learning curve, especially for those new to machine learning. Additionally, while it supports many algorithms, it might not cover some specific or less common ones. Lastly, its cost might be prohibitive for smaller businesses or individual users. Key takeaways. Turbolearn AI is a powerful, user-friendly machine learning platform. It offers a range of features including support for various algorithms, real-time analytics, and high security. It's suitable for various use cases but does have some limitations such as a learning curve and potentially high costs. Overall, it's a valuable tool for anyone looking to leverage AI, provided they are willing to invest time and resources. Thank you for watching our analysis of Turbolearn AI. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to provide high quality content. Thank you and see you in the next video.